Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change a bulb on a BMW 3 Series. First, gather your essential tools, including a suitable screwdriver set and the correct replacement bulb for your specific model. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch before you begin any work. It is also highly recommended to wear protective gloves. This prevents oils from your skin from transferring to the new bulb, which can significantly shorten its lifespan. Now, let's access the bulb housing. Begin by opening your BMW's hood and clearly identifying the headlight assembly that requires a new bulb. You might need to carefully remove a few plastic covers or trim pieces that are obstructing your access to the rear of the headlight unit. Use a trim removal tool if necessary to avoid damage. Next, locate and unscrew any retaining screws or release clips that secure the access panel or cover to the bulb. With the housing open, it's time to replace the bulb. Gently disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. It often has a small tab to press. Then, depending on your bulb type, either unclip the retaining spring or give the bulb a quarter turn counterclockwise to release it from its socket. Carefully remove the old bulb. Now, insert the new bulb, making sure it is seated firmly and correctly aligned within the housing. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Reconnect the electrical connector to your newly installed bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Carefully reattach all the covers, screws, and any trim pieces you removed earlier, making sure everything is secure and snug. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm the new bulb is functioning correctly. This simple check ensures your work is complete and safe for the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.